Hi, I'm Mrs. Severson, and I teach junior high graphic art and high school Comtech.
My name is Mr. Erickson, and I teach computer science and robotics.
My name is Ken Engelstad, and I teach design studies.
Teaching Comtech is using technology to make really cool images and cool projects. So it's the best of everything. It's art and it's graphic art together.
Design studies students master industry standard CAD software. Students solve issues in a number of interesting areas, including house and interior design, engineering and industrial design, vehicle design, fashion and jewelry design, logo and brand design. And of course, some students will be 3D printing, and virtual reality is also available to each student.
Robotics is a lot of things. It is a course on mechanical engineering, electrical engineering, computer science, and art. Robotics is also a great place for students to explore and to learn about these four domains while making robots from scratch or by using the pre-existing kits that we have available to us.
Kids always say, I can't do that. I can't draw. I can't paint. I can't create on a computer. I hate computers. I'm like, well, you have to just realize that I'm here to teach you and to show you and to give you some wisdom, some tricks of the trade, and you can do it. Be creative. Let the computer take you along the path, and get frustrated. That's okay. Just walk away from it for a minute. I'll show you what's going on and we'll figure it out together.
You don't need to be a great artist or super creative to be in design studies. Enter the course and we'll help you find that creativeness that you had as a child. You'll gain confidence and satisfaction completing very cool designs. You get to work at your own pace on projects that interest you. It's a fun atmosphere that allows you to express yourself through design.
Nobody starts as an expert. Come take a look, try it out, learn something new, and be surprised when your project comes to life.
Well, I mean, they get to take home cool projects. They get to do photography. They get to do special effects. They get to edit with the software, Photoshop, Illustrator, vector graphics, raster graphics. And the long-term learning, they can turn around and make a career of that if they want.
If you're planning to go into a design or engineering school or field, then design studies is a course for you. Our design program offers a fun, relaxing, self-motivated environment for all students. Students gain life skills as the program reflects a real-world atmosphere, preparing you for your future.